Hello, word friends, and welcome back to another episode of Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today's word is doubt. That's right, doubt, a B1 level verb, meaning to feel unsure. What does that really mean? Well, it means to feel uncertain or to lack conviction about something. You might doubt whether you locked the front door, or you might doubt a friend's story if it sounds unbelievable. Doubt is a common emotion and a word we use frequently in our daily lives. So let's dive deeper into understanding how to use it correctly and effectively. Let's start with some synonyms. Words that have similar meanings to doubt. One good synonym is question. For example, instead of saying I doubt his sincerity, you could say I question his sincerity. Another synonym is distrust. You might say, I distrust his motives, which conveys a similar feeling of uncertainty as I doubt his motives. We can also use suspect as a synonym. I suspect he's lying is similar to saying I doubt he's telling the truth. Another useful synonym is wonder. I wonder if it will rain tomorrow expresses a similar uncertainty as I doubt the sun will shine tomorrow. Finally, another synonym is uncertain. I am uncertain if I will go to the party expresses the same feeling as I doubt I will go to the party. Now, let's look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of doubt. A key antonym for doubt is believe. While doubt means feeling unsure, believe means feeling sure. So instead of saying I doubt he'll come, you could say I believe he'll come. Another antonym is trust. If you trust someone, you have no doubt about their honesty or reliability. So, I trust her completely is the opposite of I doubt her intentions. Certainty is also an antonym. If you have certainty, you have no doubt. For example, I have no doubt about his abilities is the opposite of I have certainty about his abilities. Similarly, sureness is an antonym. I have a sureness that I will pass the exam expresses the opposite sentiment as I doubt I will pass the exam. Finally, faith is an antonym that expresses strong belief without proof. I have faith that everything will be all right is the opposite of I doubt everything will be all right. Now, let's explore how doubt is used in everyday life. We often use it when making decisions. For example, I doubt I'll have time to go to the gym today is a common expression of uncertainty about your schedule. We also use it when expressing opinions. I doubt that movie will be very good is a polite way of saying you don't expect much from it. When someone asks you for help, you might say, I doubt I can fix that, but I can try, showing some hesitation. If you are considering something, you might say, I doubt it's a good idea, to express your reservations. In everyday conversations, you might hear phrases like, without a doubt, he's the best player, which means you are completely certain. Or, give him the benefit of the doubt, which means to assume he's innocent until proven guilty. Let's use doubt in some more sentences. I doubt the weather will be good enough for a picnic. She doubts his story about finding $1 million. They doubt that the project will be finished on time. He doubts himself sometimes, but he's very talented. We have no reason to doubt her honesty. There is no doubt that practice makes perfect. Don't doubt your abilities. You can do it. If in doubt, ask for help. I doubt it very much. I begin to doubt if I made the correct decision. Do you doubt my word? Have no doubt. This is the right choice. I had doubt that he would arrive on time. She removed all doubt that she was the best candidate. In phrases, we can say cast doubt on, meaning to raise questions about something. For instance, the new evidence casts doubt on his alibi. Or reasonable doubt, which is a legal term meaning uncertainty about someone's guilt. The jury found him not guilty because there was reasonable doubt. So, to recap, doubt means to feel unsure or uncertain. Some synonyms include question, distrust, suspect, wonder, and uncertain. Antonyms include believe, trust, certainty, sureness, and faith. We use doubt in everyday conversations to express uncertainty, opinions, and reservations. That brings us to the end of another episode of Hello Word. Thank you for joining me, Alex, as we explored the word doubt. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Now, I have a small request. If you enjoy Hello Word, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and it means the world to me. I want to challenge you all to create your own sentence using the word doubt and share it as a comment below the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep exploring the amazing world of the English language. Goodbye.